Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fisheye lens. Fisheye lenses capture an incredibly wide field of view, often up to 180 degrees, resulting in a distinctive, curved, and sometimes circular image. This unique perspective is popular for creative photography and videography. While professional fisheye lenses can be quite expensive, crafting your own allows for an affordable and fun way to explore this photographic style. Let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll need a few key items. The most crucial component is a wide-angle door peephole viewer, which you can find at most hardware stores for around $15. Look for one with a 160 or 200-degree viewing angle for the best effect. You'll also need a spare camera lens shield or a similar attachment that fits your camera, along with some strong adhesive, electrical tape, and possibly some craft foam or cardboard for secure mounting. Now for the assembly. First, carefully remove the lens elements from the door peephole viewer. Next, you'll need to create a stable mount for this lens onto your camera's existing lens shield or a custom adapter. You can use foam, cardboard, or even PVC pipe to create a snug fit around the peephole lens, then secure it with strong glue or tape. The goal is to ensure the peephole lens is perfectly centered and held firmly in place, preventing any wobbling during use. Once assembled, it's time to test your homemade fisheye lens. Take several shots in different lighting conditions, especially well-illuminated scenes, as the peephole can reduce light. Experiment with how far you hold the lens from your camera's main lens. A few centimeters can significantly alter the distortion. Remember, this is a creative tool, so play with angles and subjects. Adjust your camera's aperture and shutter speed to compensate for light changes, and achieve the best possible image quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.